When a technology is used for the educational purpose, it means that technology has been regarded and is considered as being successfully integrated. But when users' focus is on the technology itself rather than its purpose in promoting learning or performance, then that technology is not successfully integrated. In this chapter, Spector focuses on effective integration of technology into learning activities, which is the most important concern in designing educational environments. The concern to effectively integration of technology into education is an important concern in all educational aspects, because when technology is successfully integrated in education, it changes every aspect of teaching and learning process, such as thinking skill, learning style, challenging and solving problems. Spector believes the surest indicator to evaluate whether the technology is successfully integrated or not is considering 6 foundation pillars of educational technology, including communication, interaction, environment, culture, instruction, and learning. Spector provides 3 examples in this chapter to explain how educational technologies are not effectively integrated. The first example is whiteboard with an electronic marker. Second is graphing calculator. And the third one is word processing. As we see, all these educational technologies are available in majority of schools. The main purpose of these innovations are promoting students' engagement in learning activities and facilitate teaching through interactive tools. But in reality, they are rarely used actively in their defined purposes. Despite of the fast growth in innovating new educational technology, even in those schools that are equipped by these technologies, there are some barriers that do not let them to be successfully implemented. Some reasons why educational technologies are not integrated effectively and we don't get the result we expected are discussed by Spector in this chapter, such as time limitation for students' interaction, lack of sufficient training for teachers and key users, and lack of cognitive understanding of technology advantages in education. Table 15.1 in page 170 represents technology integration concerns in each 6 foundation pillars of educational technology. The communication concern are looking to determine if technology is successfully integrated in learning or not. It is to know if all stakeholders understand the purpose and benefits of the technology, and if user guides readily are available, and if personalized feedback mechanism is available. The concerns in interaction are to answer if technology promotes learners' engagement with material, other learners, and educators, and if learners have sufficient opportunity to be creative and be able to share their creation with others. Environmental concerns focus on if technology is used beneficial and if its use draws unnecessary attention or disturbs others, and if there is enough support for continuously integration of technology. Cultural concerns are looking for institutional supportive culture for those who want to be first users of new innovations and promote learning and improve instruction. Instructional concerns pursue evidence to determine if integrating technology improves the quality of instruction and if its purpose is perceived as a productive enhancer, and looking for collecting data to analyze an impact of technology on instruction. Learning concerns seek for sufficient reasoning to prove that the technology boosts learning and to collect data to determine the scope of learning promotion and instruction improvement. In the other section, this chapter speaks about technology integration principles. Integrating technology into education should support and facilitate learning, performance, and instruction. Stakeholders should be informed and key users should be properly trained on these technologies. Training teachers and trainers how to make effective pedagogical use of new technology is essential and critical. Proper support for a new technology should be in place prior to deployment. A systemic preparation of the role and use of a new technology should be developed prior to implementation. Technology costs should not outweigh the benefits, and technology should not be expected to quickly or magically transform learning and instruction.